Okay, so I just did something really cool. I made a digital notepad. And there's the program. And so when I turn it on, it's going to display the first 32 digits that I have put into the memory by typing. Yes, he is. Okay, so as you can see, there is a cursor. If it will, there we go. There's a cursor on B, because that's in the beginning, so I can move the cursor and watch. Oops, I hate these switches. When I get to the end, right there, it even goes to the second line. I can go back. And just something as simple as that was incredibly difficult. Or maybe not incredibly difficult, just, hard to catch. Okay, so now I actually have 2 pages, each with 32 spots for like a number or letter or whatever. So the next page, it's going to clear the display, and then it's going to display the entire next 32 digits within the chip. Ta-da. And there's my cursor. So I can write by doing this. So here I have some space. I can go up. Ta-da. And the cool thing is that every time that the letter changes, it automatically saves. I set that up. And now that's saved. So watch. If I unplug, put it back on, ta-da, the pen is there. And another tricky thing is that I needed to have a space button. So I have kind of like a little space button so I can get rid of things. So, and this part was very tricky, was, it just doesn't want to focus, does it? There we go. Was, normally, what would happen if I wanted to change a letter is whenever I hit the up button, which increases the letter, it would have to start over from A again. But this way, whenever I move, it keeps track of what position I am. And so here, it's reading that position as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so it's reading whatever's in the 9th position of the chip. And so it's reading that as 0. So if I increase it, it'll go from 0 instead of starting over from A. So yeah. And another tricky thing is what happens if I try to go left again? It doesn't let you. Just like over here. Doesn't let you. So at max, just within the chip, although I can actually hook these up to have an SD card, in which case I could have, virtually like an unlimited amount of data, because this is only taking up 64 bytes right now. And of course we have these chips nowadays, SD cards that can hold, I think the new record for a micro SD was like 120 billion bytes, and what you're seeing here is 64. 120 billion. So technically I could kind of have an unlimited amount of information here, but I don't need it. So just with this chip I can get up to what was it, 15 lines, so like 8, 7-ish pages, which is very nice. And it's like 250 or something like that actual spots to write in. I forget what it was, but it's a lot, which isn't bad, and I can actually get better chips that have more memory. But so yeah. And if I turn it off, it saves everything. Ta-da! So there you go. Pretty neat. So actually, just give you one more example. Oh, actually. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I should have enough room. Oh, darn. I skipped it. Okay. So, I'm going to go back to the first page. Turn it off. Turn it on. And there you go. It's still there. Ta-da! Bye-bye.